In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method to Google Play. If you want to buy apps, games, movies, books, or make in-app purchases through Google Play, the first thing you need is a payment method linked to your account. The good news is that the process is quick and very simple once you know where to look. To get started, open the Google Play Store on your device. When the app loads, look to the top corner for your profile icon and tap on it. This opens your account menu where you'll find several options related to your Google Play activity. From here, tap Payments and Subscriptions. This is the section where Google Play keeps all of your billing, subscription, and purchase settings in one place. Once you're inside Payments and Subscriptions, tap Payment Methods. This takes you to the area where you can view the payment options available for your account. If you've never added one before, this page may be mostly empty except for the available choices. If you already have a method on file, you may see it listed here along with options to add another one. At this point, you can choose the payment method you want to use. Depending on your region and device, Google Play may offer options such as a credit or debit card, PayPal, carrier billing, gift card, or other local payment methods. Simply tap the option you want, then follow the prompts on screen to complete the setup. Make sure you enter your billing details carefully so the method can be verified correctly. A helpful tip here is to double check that you're signed into the correct Google account before adding anything. Many people have more than one account on their phone, and payment methods are tied to the account currently active in Google Play. If something looks different from what you expected, that's usually the first thing to verify. Also, keep in mind that the payment methods shown can vary by country, so don't worry if your screen looks a little different from someone else's. That's normal. As long as you're in the payment methods section, you're in the right place. And that's it. Once you select your preferred payment option and complete the required details, your payment method will be added to Google Play and ready for future purchases.